Protect your Polaris RZR from dirt, sand, rocks, and other debris with the CPOWACE 2PC's floor drain plugs. Designed as aftermarket replacements for OEM numbers 8,414,694 and 5,414,694, these drain plugs are perfect for Polaris models including the 2014, 2017, RZR, XP, 1000, 2015, 2017, RZR, 900, 2015, 2017, RZR, 900S, 2016-2017 RZR Turbo, and 2016, 2017, RZR, 1000S. Measuring 2.7x3 in diameter, these plugs are easy to install and fit perfectly, helping to keep your machine clean and protected from the elements. Made from durable materials, these plugs provide a reliable seal that keeps out unwanted debris without compromising the functionality of your RZR. The installation process is simple and quick. Just align the plugs with the floor drain and press down for a secure fit. You'll have them installed in less than a minute, saving you time and effort compared to complicated repairs. These floor drain plugs are a practical solution when replacing missing or worn-out plugs that can be easily lost. Customers appreciate the affordable price and excellent fitment, making them a popular choice for maintaining the condition of their RZR. With CPOWACE's excellent after-sales support, you're covered for any issues, whether it's a missing package or a damaged item. Contact their customer service team, and you'll get a response within 24 hours. If you want a reliable, easy-to-install drain plug replacement for your Polaris RZR, check the product link in the video description to buy now. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more quality automotive accessories and upgrades.